Hey, gals and guys, it's Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and this time out I'm going to talk about TubeBuddy. I've talked about it before, but I haven't made an exclusive video on it, so I just want to show you some of the features, and there's a couple of reasons why I'm doing this video, and I'll show you why the second reason. First reason is I use it and I enjoy it, so that's the basic reason, but I'll show you a different reason for it. So you just go to TubeBuddy.com. I'll have an affiliate link down in the description. If you decide that you want to sign up, please use the affiliate link. I would appreciate it. Yes, the channel does get a kickback, and I would appreciate that if you could do that for us. So what I would start with is just install free now. It's just a Chrome plugin that you can use. As you can see, it says remove from Chrome. That's why I already have that. I already have this up here. See that it's like a grayish just because I haven't signed in yet. So you can download that, add that to Chrome, and that's going to help you out to see all your lovely displays that I'm going to show you in just a minute. And I'm going to sign in because I already have an account. All right, I'll sign in with my Googles. I'll sign in with My Media Helper. And then 5 or 6 days later, we should sign in. There we go. So here we go. You only get certain, because I'm a free member and you can upgrade as you see there. There's only certain things that you can see. We'll go to Launchpad. And actually, let me go back. This is what I wanted to show you. This is the second reason why I'm doing this. So there are certain... if you get this, you qualify for free TubeBuddy sponsored upgrades. So basically, if you do certain things, you can get a certain amount of time of TubeBuddy at no charge. So right now I'm doing this. I'm doing creative video about TubeBuddy. All right, I already did the Twitter thing. I did the survey. I joined the affiliate program, which the link will be down in the description. But let me show you as far as what you get as far as the free version, because that's what I have right now. It's still awesome to use. So I'm going to start here. And I'll turn down my opening video here. So when you get the plugin, you get this display right here. And it just basically tells you, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, right? Total lifetime views, almost 28,000. The amount of videos I have is 326. Views of the last 30 days, 3.39K. And then the amount of videos I did in the past 30 days is 17. All right, kind of gives you this nice little chart to kind of gauge what you're doing on there. And then if you go to video, let me just go to youtube.com. And I'll just put in My Media Helper. And I'll just grab any old video. Ooh. Nice and loud. Okay, and then it's going to give you this display here on the video itself. It gives you some tips, things that I've done, things that need to be done. These are my tags, my keywords, which they do help you out with. I'll show you that in just a moment. And just basically gives you my SEO score, 70, so I could probably bump that up. And it just gives you a nice overlay of your viewership for that particular video and learn off that. Okay, so let's go into the video itself. I just posted this earlier. Add users. So this is the one that I posted earlier. So if you go into this, and you can create a thumbnail off it. I don't necessarily do that. I use canva.com, but you can add chapters, which I don't necessarily do that either. But it's an option for you. And if you go down here with keywords, and it will tell you if you want to put in like a keyword. Let me think of something, I don't know, like New York. I wonder if it would help you there. Put in New York and see what happens. Yeah, a lot of times it gives you hints as far as what to add. I don't know, SharePoint. All right, so if you put SharePoint in and then gives you options, it gives you more options, obviously, if you upgrade. So if you want more keywords beyond those 3, then you would just sign up for the program. And another feature I use, if you go right over here where the TB is, you've got different options here. So you can catch up on your news. This one's I really like to use. It kind of gives you an incentive to keep going. So it gives you milestones. It gives you like these certificates, and I'll show you in just a second. But here's my subscribers. Subscribers 130, views 30,000, uploads 350. Oh, that's my next. These are my next goals. So I'm at 120 now. So my next goal is 130. I think I got 25,000 subscribers. So that's 30,000 is my goal, and then uploads is 350 videos. So if you go into, as you can see here, I just did this on the 20th, so that was yesterday. So 120 subscribers, so it's growing, and I appreciate everyone that subscribes and watches. And then you can just download these certificates just like that. And what I normally do is I just throw them on my Facebook. So I have a folder just for like all my website content, all the stuff I've done before. I just kind of throw them in there, and you can kind of do like the progression of TubeBuddy and how you've been growing. It's just kind of cool to look back and kind of look like I did 110 subscribers back in June 20th. So I got 10 in like a month. That's certainly more than I did in last year, and hopefully next year it will even grow even more. So you can kind of, it gives you a nice incentive to keep going, little prizes along the way. And then, yeah, you got other options here. So, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. You got your playlist. It goes right to your playlists. And then your analytics. And it just sends you right to what you can look at anyways through your dashboard. Okay. And it's not just your videos that you can take a look at. So you can look at your competition. So I do SharePoint. SharePoint. Go and someone else's, and you can get their information as well as far as
build custom industrial
how their videos are doing. And they've got comment pinned, liked on Facebook. Just don't have a comment hearted, and they've got 90% SEO score and 11 likes on the Facebook, and then you can see what keywords they're using, and you can take away from that. You try to use unique keywords, right? So people just go to your video the best you can. But let's go back to your account real quick. And so if you sign up for it, and here's your affiliate link. So if you just want to put that on your sites, on your YouTube channel, on your website channel, on your Facebook, whatever the case may be, and as people click on there and sign up, and you get the little commission, which is always nice to help you with your bills. Bill payments are awesome. And then you got some other basic stuff over here. Usage statistics is pretty cool. You get that at no charge, and this kind of gives you like a calculator. How much is your time worth? I don't know. How much is my time worth? So apparently I saved $300 productivity cost thanks to TubeBuddy. That's if I charged $50 an hour. I don't know how useful that is, but it's there. All right, so I just recommend giving it a shot. Put in your plugin in your Chrome browser and go to town. There's different tools you can use for free at no cost. So we'll just use Keyword Explorer. We'll just do that real quick. So it gives you the first 3 keywords you can either put in with your tags or use it as your SEO in your description. So, I mean, YouTube's the second largest search engine in the world, as they say, Google being the first. So use it and abuse it. All right, gals and guys, I hope you got something out of this. I appreciate you as always. Just remember, if you sign up, you can do this as well. Make a video, get some free time on here, try out their paid features. It's pretty easy. You just do a survey, and affiliate program, and all that good stuff. I will have the affiliate link down in the description. If you can hit on that, I would appreciate it if you want to check it out. And I thank you and appreciate you as always, of course. And please subscribe because subscriptions are going up pretty good this year. I mean, slowly but surely, a lot better than last year. And then please like if you liked the video. Like it if you didn't like the video. And then, did I say share? If I didn't say share, share it with a friend who has a YouTube channel. I'm sure TubeBuddy's been around a long time. I'm sure everyone knows who has a YouTube channel what it is. Maybe haven't necessarily tried it. And then hit the bell for updates. And I am long-winded as always because that's what I do. And I am off to make another video for you all. And I thank you as always. I appreciate you if I haven't said that. And peace out.